In today's lesson, we'll be learning the song All My Friends to practice our intervallic reading at C position. Let's get started. First, take a second to place your hands in the proper position. Like the last few songs we've done, our right hand thumb will start on middle C and our left hand finger number 5 will start on low C. Parents, make sure you're situated correctly with the right notes, and when you're all ready, let's take a look at these first two measures. First, we will be starting with our right hand finger number 1 on middle C. We will take steps up to our finger number 3 and then skip back down to middle C. In the next measure, we will play middle C again and then take steps back up to our finger number 3. Take a moment to practice this with your parents, and parents, just as a heads up, I will not be playing these tied notes here just for rhythm reasons. We want to prioritize our intervallic reading first, so I'll be playing these all straight as quarter notes. When we're ready with this first section, let's play together, and a reminder to keep your hands in a steady position while we play. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome job! If you'd like to repeat this section, feel free to play back the video. Let's move on to the next section. If you look closely, we have a similar pattern as we did in the first two measures, except we move everything up a step. So we'll now start with our finger number 2 and go up in steps to finger number 4. Then, we'll skip back down to our finger number 2. In the next measure, we'll play our finger number 2 again and then take steps back up to our finger number 4. Take a second to practice this with your parents first, and remember to take your time with it. We want our fingers to be strong as you play these notes. When we're all ready, let's play this together. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! Feel free to go back and practice this section or this entire first line again if you'd like. Let's move on to the next line of our music. In these next two measures, we'll be playing with our left hand. We have a similar pattern as we did before, starting with steps, then a skip, then steps again. Let's look at it further. We'll start with our left hand finger number 1 and go down in steps to our finger number 3. Then, we'll skip back up to our finger number 1. In the next measure, we'll play our finger number 1 again and go back down in steps to our finger number 3. Take a second to practice this left hand part, and parents, remind your children that even though we've switched to the left hand, our right hand should still be steady in the same position. When we're ready, let's play this together. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job! If you'd like to practice this section again, feel free to go back and do so. Otherwise, let's move on to the last two measures of the piece. From where we left off, we'll be starting with our left hand finger number 2 and going down in steps all the way to our finger number 5 on low C. Take a moment to practice this last section with your parents, and when we're all ready, let's play this together. Parents, I'll be playing each note for 1 count, so as quarter notes. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing job! Feel free to go back and repeat this last section if you'd like more practice with it. Otherwise, we've finished our song for the week. Parents, to help your child practice this piece, remember to play the song in sections like we did today, and then slowly piece each section together as you get more familiar. Mind the transitions between sections, and make sure we stay steady throughout the piece. Remember to annotate your music as needed too. Happy practicing!